Okay guys, it's working fine. So let's see an example JSP web application to set, get or remove the request session and application attributes. Once you are able to set and get, you can remove easily. You can update also. Fine. So let me create this context root name in my Tomcat. So chaining, go to here, create directory, folder, fine, done. Under this, just create one more folder, one more directory, with the name called web-INF. Okay. Now next, just create the first program, that is A.jsp. So file, new, normal text. So it's my favorite. What is my favorite? Damn. Okay. HTML, okay. I'll save in HTML. Fine. Now next, so first let me create all the object. So what should I do here? This is my scriptlet tag. Create attributes. You can get the attributes from HTML form page, and you can set into the request session and application, or directly create the attribute here itself and set it. Are you getting? Are you getting, guys? Bola re. So create the attributes. So create the attributes now. So already I have implicit object request.set attribute, right? So these are the form of keys and value pair, right? So I'll set attr, okay, 81 val1, right? Yeah, this is my request attribute. Fine. I'll set for session dot set attribute. Session dot set attribute. So it is attribute 2, value 2. Keep in mind, attribute name must be unique. Attribute name must be unique. Value can be different. Value can be same. Okay. Next, set the same attribute for application scope. Fine. So value 3, attribute 3. Okay. And the next I am forwarding the request to where? No, I should not forward here. So let me forward here. JSP colon forward. Where should I forward? To my next page. So let me use here B.jsp. Okay. With respect to this diagram. So browser window gives the request. Okay. A.jsp, B.jsp, C.jsp. I have D.jsp and E.jsp, which is not in chaining, whereas A, B, C are in chaining. Okay. If I give the request to the B.jsp, I can able to access request parameter set by A. Even if I give the request to the C.jsp from the browser window, I can able to get the request parameter from A and B to the C. Are you getting, guys? So first I'll perform chaining from A to B only. I'll skip C. Okay? I'll skip C. Means I'm skipping this also because they are not in chaining. Otherwise you can perform chaining A, B to the C. Keep A to B, they're in chaining, yeah? Or A, B, C, they're in chaining. Or only 2 or only 3. Up to your wish, how long you want to keep it chaining. So in this application, I will keep only A and B in this application. Huh? So save this A.jsp in 16 request session application scope attributes. So here is my A. So let me save here what? JSP. Oh, I'll do save as JSP. Fine. So this is my JSP colon forward page B.jsp. I'll keep 2 in chaining and 1 in not in chaining. More than enough. That will give the same feeling. So file, new, others, JSP. Okay. Now here I will get all the values. I used to return the values, okay, by the request, response, and session. So what I'll do, first read the attribute values. Read the different attribute values from different scope. From different scopes. So out.println, let me write my favorite lines. Okay. So where I'm now? I'm from B.jsp. So I'm from B.jsp. Right up. First, let me write uh, request attribute. Then what? attr1. काय होतं नाव त्याचं सांगा बरं. 81, 82, 83. 81, right? No value will, I will get the value here. Okay. Now directly I will get the value by the scriptlet tag, or you can use declaration tag also, or use scriptlet tag, up to your wish. But if it is single value, if you are getting the single value, I suggest you to use always which tag? Expression tag. Okay. Now here let me use request request dot get the attribute. What is the value here? 81. Right? Here I need not to add semicolon. Okay, fine. Next, similarly, you can get the attribute of what? Break tag. Similarly, you can get the attribute of a session and application. So, session, okay, session 82. And here I can use application, because why the application? Because these all are implicit object. So, application. Got it? Okay, fine. Now, should I forward the request to C.jsp? करू का C ला? ठीक है, चलो डायग्राम दिला दे C मध्ये करू आपण. चलो. Where is my C.jsp? Forward to C.jsp. C. Done na? Let me save this by using B.jsp. Control S. Beside to A, I'll write B.jsp. Save. Done? Done? Okay. Just my intention is to show you, to explain you, ki Baba, no, these are possible when and when. Okay. So I'll use same code, Alt F, new, uh, Alt F, new, others, JSP, okay, paste. I'll change to C, and here remove this. Don't add JSP colon forward, right? C.jsp code same as B.jsp, just don't add JSP colon forward. Okay, understood? You can write the note point. Yeah. काय आहे वेडे मुलं माझे, सांगतोय मी. Save, and here what? C.jsp. Done. 81, 82. Here is what? 83. Next, here is 81, 82. Here is what? 83. Next, 81, 82, 83. Done. This is also done. Save. 81, 82, 83. Huh? Where? नहीं गरज नहीं है. I don't need a. हाँ इथं का ते HTML चं आहे सगळं ते. Okay, I'll change here. Actually, you will get confusion when you get the output. How come 81 same different and 82 same? Okay, 81, 82, 83. Fine. Here I don't need colon, semicolon. Actually, I should use here colon. Okay, save all. Save all. Just add empty web app. Okay, web hyphen app in web.xml file. Save web-INF 16 na 16 web.xml. Save. Done. Done. Now just check whether application is reloaded or not. 16 reloaded. 2017 31. Yes, 2017 only. Okay. Fine. Next, let me test my application. Refresh. 16. So I'll give the request from A.jsp. Okay. If you are not happy with this, guys, what I'll do, I'll ask you to create input.html like this. Okay. Get this attribute T search, set it as a request attribute. Okay. Go. So enter. So what the problem I made here? Line number 16. Where is 16? Which page? A.jsp. So go to A.jsp. Line number 16. Kuda chukla? I forget to close the JSP colon forward. I forget to close here also. JSP colon forward. And here I have not mentioned JSP colon forward. Okay. Okay, I'll create D also. I'll create D. Just wait a minute. File, new, same, others, Ray Baba. View. So simply I'll change to D. Look, D is not in chaining. Boys and girls, please pay attention. D is not in chaining. You can create E. E is not in chaining. Will they access request parameter values? Will they access session parameter values? Yes. Will they access application parameter values? Yes. Application parameter means application attribute values. Because session is within the application, application within the application, request within the chaining. That I wish to prove now. What is the theoretical expression just now I gave to you about this explanation? Okay, I wish to prove now. Okay, fine. So refresh from C.jsp val1, val2, val3. Okay. Now I will give the request to now B.jsp. Okay. It's null. Why? Directly I give the request to B. Does B set any attribute of 81? No. Okay. Now I will go to C.jsp directly. Is it in chaining? Directly C. Look at here. Why first time I got the output? Because I gave the request here. A sets request dot set attribute. The C. Set a okay and request sent to B.jsp. Right? B read that attribute and shown the output. Again send the forward to where C. Already request has A's attribute. Which one? 81. This also read and you got the output. Understood? Yes or no? So from A to B, B to C, they are in chaining. If I give the request to B.jsp, you will get null to the 81. To the 81. But in the case of A.jsp, it has been set into session and it has been set into application for 82 and 83. So either you give the request from the same or maybe different, they will be alive. They will be alive. Oh, with respect to this browser window. Okay. Now this is C.jsp, right? I'll try now. Next D.jsp. I created D.jsp already. Did I? Yes or no? Sorry, I did not save. Let me save. I forget to save. So D.jsp. Right now. So D.jsp, hit enter. Look, it is in session now. Next, same application. What I'll do, I'll open D.jsp. I'll open some other browser, Firefox, or maybe Edge. Now, can anyone tell me which attribute value will be visible? Please tell me. Request will be obviously null. Session, definitely it should be null. Application, no. Because irrespective of any condition I made, maybe from same browser or maybe from different browser. Assume this is browser 3, browser 2. Okay, now I will open what? Same in maybe in different browser. Do I have any? Okay, I have Edge. Same, are you getting, guys? Now it's clear. It's clear. So please try all the application. So now test the application from different request URL. This is important now. This note it down. This point. Test the web app using below different URLs from different browser. Okay, from different browser windows to get the feel or to get the satisfaction. First is A, observe the output. Next B, observe the output. Next C. Okay, from same browser window. Okay, same by using different browser window. Okay, try by using different browser window. Okay, so guys, now is it clear? Next we shall see about page context. Page context attributes. Can you remove the objects, guys? Okay. Now I wish to remove. If I give the object, if I give the request to somewhere like a, where is my D? If I give the request to D.jsp, I will remove this session. Okay, I'm refreshing multiple times. No matter. Because this is the session. Okay. Here, if I give the request to D.jsp, I will remove the session. So what should I do here? Go to D.jsp. Here, first it will show. Okay, what I'll do? Remove. Remove session attribute 82 session dot remove attribute of 82. Okay, and I will try to print. And I will try to print. Okay, after removing after removing, and I will give the request from the same browser window. Value 2 is there. Do observe it's a D.jsp. Right or wrong? Now already it's in null. Now this is value 2. This is value 3. Now I will remove. काय झालं? Session dot remove attribute of 82. Okay, the object has been already removed. Can you able to access? Are you getting understood? But the problem is with what? Oh, unable to compile the class for JSP 14. No. So change to instead of expression to what? Session. Because the session dot remove attribute brings empty, void. What? Void. Check it here. Void. Right? So void means what? It does not bring any value. If it does not bring any value, how the expression will hold the value here? Right or wrong? So that's what I removed here, assignment operator. But I need to end by using semicolon. So refresh. Now it has earlier it has value. Okay. Remove the session, remove her. Then session becomes clear now. Similarly, can you remove the application? Can you remove the application? Huh? Use same scriptlet tag. Now I'll remove session. Application is there. So session remove. Instead of 82, 83 application 83, 83. Refresh now. Either refresh from this browser or refresh from this browser. Okay. Or refresh from Edge. Okay. I'm refreshing from Firefox. Earlier I had a value of 3. Now it becomes obviously null. Removed and it becomes null. Already it is null now. Even if you refresh from here, D.jsp, obviously you'll get null only. Is it clear? Fine, guys. So we shall see about next page context attribute. How do I set the page context attributes? How do I get the page context attributes? How to create the page context? How to update? Okay, guys. One more thing is left. If you want to update, what will you do? Already you are set. Okay. You want to update in here in B.jsp. Simply call same it. Simply call same. Earlier I got this one. Earlier I got this value in B.jsp or C.jsp. Okay, I got this value. Fine. So request.get attribute. Fine. I'll set what? Here maybe Ganesha. Okay. Earlier I got this attribute value. Request.get attribute. Show. And now after setting, I am updating now. Okay. After update. Okay. Fine. Now? Fine. Now see the difference. I'll go to A.jsp. From C.jsp, attribute value is what? अरे मी कोणी सेट केलं ते मी बाया सेट केलं. So I'll set in what? Scriptlet tag. So I will use here modulo. Here also I will use here. I will use adding a bracket. Done? Done? Earlier I had val1. Now I will get what? Ganesha. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. Done. Save. So just refresh. Okay. Earlier I got val1. Later I got Ganesha. Can I able to update the value? Yes or no? Similarly, you can update what? Session attribute value. You can update for application attribute value. Okay. समझ same we shall see about page context. Remove, update, set, all we have seen for request session and application attributes. Next we shall see about application attribute. Sorry, page context attributes. Fine.